Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for clicking in. So today I'm bringing you this nice equation that I want us to solve for the value of x when given x to the power of 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. So x is equals to what? So our first step, we'll begin by paying attention to this exponent here, which is 4. So remember, the exponent of the variable determines the number of values we should get. So for this case, we should get 4 values of x, right? So our first step, 4, we can write it as 2 squared. So this will be x to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 2, which is 4, is equals to 0. Okay? Our next step, x squared, all this squared. So x squared, all this squared is the same as x to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 2 is equals to 0, right? So you can see this is a difference of 2 squares. So we can solve it using this formula or identity: a squared minus b squared is equals to a plus b bracket into bracket a minus b, whereby our x is equals to x squared, our b is equals to 2. So we are going to express this into this form. So this will be x squared plus 2 bracket x squared minus 2 bracket is equals to 0. Good. Our next step, we are going to equate this with 0 and equate this with 0. So x squared plus 2 is equals to 0. X squared minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so to remain with x squared as our subject, we're going to take 2 to the other side. So x squared is equals to negative 2. So to remain with x, we are going to square root both sides. So this square will cancel with the square root. X is equals to the square root of negative 2. So x is equals to square root 2 times square root negative 1. So x is equals to plus or minus the square root of 2, the square root of 1, this is imaginary, right? So this is the value of x. Okay, for this case, we are going to take 2 to the other side. So x squared is equals to 2. So to remain with x, we are going to square root both sides, the square root of 2. So this square will cancel with the square root. X is equals to plus or minus the square root of 2. So for this case, we'll have two solutions. X is equals to the positive, so x is equals to square root 2. X is equals to negative square root 2. So this is the first value, this is the second value. The third value of x, we are getting it from this side, so we are taking the positive sign here. So x is equals to square root 2 imaginary, and the fourth value of x, we are getting it from this side, we are taking the negative. X is equals to negative square root 2 imaginary, right? So these are the 4 values of x. So remember to like, subscribe, comment down below. Tell us if you have another method to solve this. Bye bye. See you in my next video.